VIM edit commands. Types of modes. Command mode. In this, letters or a sequence of letters interactively command VIM editor. The commands are case sensitive. Press escape key to start a command. Insert mode. Text is inserted. The escape key ends insert mode and returns you to command mode. One can enter insert mode with the A, O, capital O, or capital R commands. Command line mode. One enters this mode by typing colons, which puts the command line entry at the foot of the screen. Cursor movements. Vim, fire, and command mode. Using escape, we are showing cursor movement. We use H, J, K, or L for arrow keys. E moves the cursor to the end of a word. Capital E moves the cursor to the end of the white spaces. D moves the cursor to beginning of the word. Capital B moves the cursor to the beginning of the white space delimited word. NE/NB. This moves the cursor to the end or beginning of the nth word from the cursor. For quicker movement, we can directly assign the number of words the cursor should move. 0 moves the cursor to the beginning of the line. Donor moves the cursor to the end of the line. Colon N moves the cursor to the nth line of the text. Page scrolling. Control F. Control F moves one page forward. Control B moves one page backwards. Editing text. Insert mode. I inserts before cursor. Capital I inserts at start of the line. A, small a, appends after cursor. Capital A, to append at the end of the line. Small o, it opens a new line below the cursor, below the current position. Capital O opens a new line above the current position. Small r. It replaces a single character under the cursor. Capital R replaces rather than inserting. Some useful commands. The tilde changes case of a character under the cursor. Small u undoes the last command. Control plus R redoes the last command. Dot repeats the last command. Terminating the session. Command line mode. :W. It saves the changes made to the file. :Q. It quits the session. :Q exclamation mark is forced quitting. :WQ writes to the file and then quits. Searching for pattern in a file. Slash the pattern. N to go to the next pattern in the forward direction. Capital N to go to the next pattern in the backward direction. Deleting text. X. It deletes characters under the cursor. Capital X. It deletes characters before the cursor. :D deletes the entire line. $D deletes from cursor to the end of the line. It deletes from the cursor to the beginning of the line. :DN deletes n number of lines starting from the current line. Yanking or printing text. Copy pasting text. Y yanks or copies the text. P. Prints or pastes the copied text. Capital P pastes the copied text above the current line. Y yanks the current line. Y dollar, it yanks from the cursor to the end of the line. This yanks from the cursor to the beginning of the line. Yn yanks n lines from the current position. Combining various commands. NDW deletes n words from the cursor. NYW yanks n words from the cursor. Quick cursor return. M star, this marks the current position in the file. Star any character. Star to go to the marked position. Uses in programming. VIM editor has a wide range of applications. Indentation. We first need to install the indent plugin by sudo apt-get install indent. Opening the source code, to indent, we press small gg equal to capital G, and the code is automatically indented into logical blocks and sub-blocks. Let's just save this. Editing over multiple lines using visual mode. Opening our source code, we find that the top lines need to be commented out. We press Ctrl plus V, scroll down using J, Shift plus capital I to insert, add for hash and press escape. It automatically edits all the lines. After learning the file searching commands, you might very easily be able to locate files in your system. Learning the cron and the rsync commands may give you the advantage of scheduling backing up of selected data time to time. Commands like ping, nslookup, traceroute may make you know more about your internet connection. The mnemonics of the VIM editor may make you work really faster. What entries will you make to schedule the program check_db.sh to run every weekday, that is, excluding Saturday and Sunday, hourly during 9 a.m. and 6 p.m.? What entries will you make to schedule the program backup.sh, which is a shell script formed using the rsync command to copy the directory /home /rahul/downloads /ititd to /home/rahul/desktop /ititd_updated to run every Sunday at 10 a.m. in the morning. Find all files with the name mycprogram.c, ignoring the case in the current directory and all its subdirectories.